We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
In 1877, Ding Richang, a Fujian provincial prefect, traveled to Taiwan to hold a Qing court test in Tainan. Upon hearing the news, a Miaoli man decided that this was an opportunity his son, Qiu Fengjia, could not miss. Fearing the long, difficult journey would leave his 14-year-old son too tired, he carried the son the entire way. When they arrived at the testing center, the guards mocked the pair and refused them entry. But Ding had heard the stories of the boy, and with them both being Hakka, he let the boy in for the test, which he passed with flying colors. As a further test of the young Qiu's skills, Ding ordered him to write 100 pieces of poetry. Again, the teen surprised the prefect, returning the next morning with vivid prose on the charms of Taiwan. Welcome to today's Hakka lesson of the day. My name is Melvin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
Yes, we figured that Joseph has learned enough Hakka. It's time to change a person. 所以今天呢，由我来学一学客家话了，完全没有概念。今天也是第一次跟老师见面。见面的话，像如果我们像学英文的时候呢，第一件学的就是 How are you？ 然后就要 I'm fine, thank you，对不对？啊，那我今天跟你第一课就是要这样子来问了啊，看今天心情好不好啊？这样子的话要怎么样去问呢？
就是講你今晡日心情好嗎？
你今晡日心情
好嗎？你今晡日心情好嗎？
啊，那回答的話呢，我今天如果好跟不好怎麼講？
好的話可以說很好，很高興就當好當歡喜，當好當歡喜。如果不好，唔好。很生氣，懂欠，like a K 一個 K 這樣的聲音。So basically, 懂欠
asking people how you feeling today. We have two different answers. 我們再講一次怎麼去問候人家心情好不好？我們再重複一次。
你今晡日心情好嗎？懂好懂歡喜，
就是很高興。I'm happy, very happy. And then?
唔好懂欠
which means no, I don't feel good. I'm actually 有點生氣的感覺嗎？ I'm actually angry. So that's our Hakka lessons of the day. Thank you very much, Alice. 今天的第一次的 lesson， 那我們在結束要講什麼？
新夢大家，
安子 say， 張來了 Yes
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.